Okay, in this training, we are going to go over how to connect your StanStore contacts to your System IO contacts via Zapier. So basically, a customer comes in, Zapier sends their information to your System IO account so that you can get them going on email campaigns and things like that. So the first thing you're going to do is go over to the left once you're signed in and go to settings. Up at the top, we have integrations. We're going to hit connect under Zapier. And then we are going to search for system.io. And I am already signed in, but it will ask you to sign in at some point if you are not. So it's helpful to create an account ahead of time just to reduce confusion when it comes to Zapier. So what we're going to do is when a new customer comes in to StanStore, we are going to create or update a contact, including adding tags. Just want to make sure that I have that correct. Yes. So now we're going to connect the apps. So we're going to connect our StanStore, and I had this synced, so it did work much more quickly than it might for you. I'm also going to go up here and change this to Stan Customer to SIO, which is System IO. Okay, so I'm going to test, and I'm testing with me. I created a purchase for myself. Um, so that is, we're going to test this. Okay. That is correct. And we're going to sign in to System IO. And we are going to hit allow when it pops up, which you can't see because of how I'm recording, but it will. And then continue. We're going to go to action, and we are going to we're going to tag it as this right now simply because I don't have a separate tag, but I will change that later. So the email will be email, first name, last name, phone number. You're just assigning the things that are already there to it. We don't have a country or city or address or zip code or state. So we're going to hit continue. And now we are going to test action. And this says that it did work. So I just am going to go over here, and it did add me. You can see right here that it added me and it tagged me. So that is working, which means we are going to publish. And that is fantastic. So I'm going to have to go back and change the tag once I create a new one, but this is fabulous. I am very excited, and that's how you set up Zaps. Now let me go and take you just to look at pricing really quick so you can understand. This is what they call a single step Zap. And so let's see. This is covered under the free option. Oops. Well, it doesn't want me to show you. Let's see. Okay, plans and pricing. So this free version is for single 5. You can have up to 5 zaps. So you can have different ones, excuse me, based on different products, like if you wanted different tags. And then single step zaps only, and it's very basic. But you do get up to 100 tasks per month. So a single step zap is 1 task every time someone comes in. Then you can upgrade as you need to. And so it's a great free tool to get you going and build your automations with. And that is how you will add your contacts from Stand Store purchases to System IO through Zapier. If you have any questions, please leave them below this video or put them in the group. Thank you so much.